Hello, I'm Eleftheria Mantzorou and I'm a complementary medicine instructor. In this video, we'll talk about my favorite iron boosting herbs. So let's get to it. Before I start, I'd like to urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find out more about me and my courses at my website jointheflow.net and at Instagram flowathens. First, let's talk about thyme. I'm talking about the herbs Thymus vulgaris. Thyme happens to be one of the herbs with the highest iron content. Dry thyme is particularly rich in iron as it contains 177 mg iron in 100 grams dry matter. That means that taking one spoonful of dry thyme covers about 7% of the recommended dietary intake. Actually, it's clinically proven that the nutritional composition of thyme leaves has a safe and therapeutic role against the treatment of iron deficiency anemia. How to take it? Well, just add it in food, salads and teas. Our second herb is yellow dog. I'm talking about the herb Rimex crispus. The root is one of the best sources of plant-based iron, which can be readily absorbed. It is helpful for anemia and fatigue. It is also useful for boosting iron levels during pregnancy and heavy menstrual cycles. Bear in mind that it is rich in anthraquinones, which have a mild laxative action. So, don't drink it if you suffer from diarrhea. That applies both for the acute and the chronic phase. I recommend mixing yellow dog with blackstrap molasses, a sweetener which is also rich in iron. You can drink up to 3 grams daily. My third favorite herb is stinging nettle, and it is rich in minerals. Yes, I'm talking about the common nettle Urtica dioica. It contains 277 mg iron per 100 grams of dried plant material. That would cover 8% of our daily needs in iron. Nettle can be added in curries, soups, pies, pasta, or as a vegetable complement in any dish. And yes, it can be combined with thyme. The fourth herb is dandelion. I'm talking about the humble backyard herb Taraxacum officinale. A cup of cooked dandelion greens covers about 30% of our daily needs in iron. The raw greens deliver a slightly less amount of iron. Harvest the greens before they bloom, because then they taste far more bitter. Well, I must say I always like their taste. Let's get to number 5. That's goji berries. They have a very rich content of iron. Just 5 tablespoons, which would be 28 grams of dried goji berries pack 11% of the daily value of iron. Add them dried in cakes, cookies and breakfast cereals, or just drink the juice. It is really delicious. Finally, I'll talk about spirulina. Spirulina is actually a biomass of cyanobacteria, which is blue-green algae. Spirulina contains significant amounts of iron, that's 28 mg per 100 grams. That means that 1 tablespoon of dried spirulina delivers 25% of iron men need each day, and about 10% women should have on a daily basis. In addition, this iron is highly absorbable. Spirulina can be taken as a powder or supplement. Other iron-rich herbs include red raspberry leaf, olives, parsley, and of course dark chocolate. If you wish to boost your iron levels, bear in mind that calcium hinders iron absorption. Also, foods rich in vitamin C can improve your body's ability to absorb iron. Thus, in order to maximize your body's absorption of iron, add lemon juice to your tea. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch all the videos we upload. Be always well.